The sunset sky, dazzling with the golden hues, taking bow in brilliant sparkle of experience. Is it an unfinished story so far? That was today? Or is it building anticipation of the night yet to come? Watch the days go, some proud of their accomplishments, some leaving sighs of disappointments. Leaving all in awe of its amaranthine twists and turns. And the fortunate get to see the moon trying to steal the show from the setting sun. Oh, she is such a show-off, isn't she? Basking in reflected glory. It's magical, the sunset sky, puzzling sometimes just like a riddle, leaving the nature stunned and amazed. For it has been filling the canvas whole day with colors. And now the sunset threatens to hide them all. And in the dark, all colors will be the same. A cue for the wise. Sunset sky has so much to offer. Is she not a fine example of how uncertain a life can be? Often reminding, no matter what you planned, there will be some unexpected returns. For End has its own brain, its own script, charting its own course. So why just the beginning? Every moment of the life should be grand, meted with equal passion and fervor. She has been so clever, the sunset sky, leaving twinkling cryptic messages for the night sky. For even the dark has sparkle and hope if you keep your head up. A constant reminder that exuberance is an attitude of deep, rich, warm hearts. I want my sunset sky to be grand, magical and full of stories of my life that has been, and its memories to linger on in this world, in the tomorrow, and a few more years to come.